One of his friends saw Hodja carrying a basket of beets. "Where are you going with this?" he asked. "I am going to give it to Tamerlane as a present," Hodja answered. "You better take him figs. Tamerlane does not like beets," his friend warned him. Hodja took his friend's advice and gave a basket of figs to Tamerlane. But Tamerlane hated figs too. As soon as he saw them, he ordered Hodja to be punished. "Hit him on the head with each fig," he ordered. While the soldiers were throwing the figs at him, each time a fig hit his head, Hodja said, "Thank God." Tamerlane asked, "Why do you thank God every time a fig hits your head?" "Thank God," Hodja repeated. "If I had not listened to my friend and brought you the beets anyway, what would have happened to me?"
Time to learn new words. Beet. Carrying a basket of beets. Fig. Basket. Present. I am going to give it to Tamerlane as a present. Warn. His friend warned him. Advise. Hodja took his friend's advice. Hate. Punish. Order. Hit him on the head with each fig, he ordered. Soldier. While the soldiers were throwing the figs at him. Repeat. Happen. What would have happened to me? Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more learning English videos. See you later.